This comforting yet light soup is inspired by Thai tom yum. This recipe isn't exactly traditional since it's vegan and adds zucchini noodles, but it's both spicy and sour and flavored with aromatics like lemongrass, garlic, and chili. When trimming lemongrass, don't cut off too much of the bottom because so much of the flavor is concentrated there. Lime leaves add a really nice, bright, citrusy flavor to soups and curries. You don't need a lot of them, so just toss extras in a bag and freeze for another time. So while the soup is simmering, you can just chop a bunch of veggies. Here we're using lots of fresh tomatoes and then some sliced mushrooms as well to add into the soup. Zucchini noodles add a crisp and refreshing element to the soup. If you have a spiralizer, you can make your own or just buy them from the store. Once the soup is simmered, you want to remove the lemongrass stalks, which you're not going to eat. You can use tongs, a sieve, or pour the entire pot into a strainer set over a bowl. To finish off the soup, add a bit of coconut milk or cream, some tamari or soy sauce, coconut sugar for balance, and some sriracha if you like a little extra heat. To keep the noodles crisp, I add them straight to the bowl and pour hot soup over top. You can add whatever herbs and toppings you'd like. Tofu would be a great addition for some protein. If you give this recipe a try, let us know what you think. We really hope you like it.